Hey, this is Ross from Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. Today we're in Land O'Lakes and we're starting a three-part job. So this is the first part, which is a two-car garage that we're going to do baseboards in this garage as well. So we definitely have some real rough areas in the baseboard themselves. So all these voids we're going to have to fill before we put the baseboards on. So we're going to use a PCD, get all the rough construction material off them. Now we're going to go back and fill them with an epoxy compound. So we're going to fill these expansion joints, which are actually a little chunky. We're going to break this seal cap off. And again, here's a lot more voids in the that we're going to fix. So Lauren's actually changing all the diamonds now. And she's putting these on here that we're going to break through this cap. Okay, so we've done a bit of grinding in here right now. What we're going to kind of do is we're going to try start to transpose a little bit so we're not tripping over one another, and we'll just jump back and forth between the two spots. So as you can see, we started the baseboard, started knocking down all that extra stuff. We haven't addressed the cracks or anything yet, but just want to do a quick jump in here. And again, we'll do a quick video of this. Okay, just wanted to jump in and do a quick video. So here we have the lead-in edge, all prepped up, ready to go. You had to actually do some repairs on there. And here's where we did the baseboard, so we had to fill in all those voids. So Lauren's getting ready to put the epoxy primer on there. And you can see now, all the voids are gone. So that's definitely some extra prep, but it does make a big difference. And as you can see, the expansion joints are filled. We're down the bare concrete. Everything is definitely prepped up right. Okay, so here's the finished product of the two-car that we're doing on this three-part job. So this is a two-car garage, full chip with baseboards, polyaspartic top coat. And as you can see here, that prep with the baseboards really pays off. It looked great. Knocking off all that additional material and filling those voids just really makes it look much nicer. So here's our detailing around the hot water heater. And this color is California Gray. So here's where we cleaned up the apron. And here's the lead-in edge. We actually had to fill a couple voids along this edge. Rounded it over, looks great. Job looks good. Thanks for watching.
Pro-Tech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. We professionally install beauty and durability. Pro-Tech serves both residential and commercial customers in Pasco, Hernando, Hillsborough and Pinellas counties. Please call or text 727-916-2314 to discuss your project. We look forward to being of service. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, or subscribe.